Good morning, this is Umar Hamid and it's 6:30 in the morning and I am going to Stockholm again. Why? You're about to get to know it. So I am here in Stockholm and we had some troubles while journey like with our car, but it's all sorted out. But first thing first, we need to get something to eat. So let me take you there. So I'm here in Stockholm at the place called Halunda, and why I am here, like it was being planned from 2 weeks, and my friend here, he's performing few songs, and there's a small kind of a festival and get together between Pakistani, Indian and Bengali community who are living here in Stockholm. And also like in Sweden as well, because we come from Jönköping. It's like a little bit far from Stockholm, like 4 hour kind of a drive. So I'm here to shoot some videos for my friend and also for other people, and it's like a really nice get together of different people from, like, we are Pakistanis, Indians and but we share the same food, kind of the same clothes. And now I need to go to shoot the video because the program has already started, so I'm gonna go.
मेरा नाम है मकसूद ख्वाजा और मैं पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट कल्चर फ्रेंडली का प्रेसिडेंट भी हूँ। और ये मीना बाज़ार हम हर साल करते हैं इसको, ये तीसरा साल है। हमने 2017 में शुरू किया था फितिया स्कूला में, और जो हर साल बढ़ता हुआ आज ही हमने खोल के तूसलुदा में इसको करवाया है।
Gosto vigila la jada Dhamne vich barsa to nikle aane jada Allah jaane galla tang kaun jana Chukte mera si mera pyo mera si mera dada mera si aap sare mera siya main mera si mera pyo mera si mera dada mera si aap sare mera siya
So guys, this is the last stop before we go home. We planned to go somewhere we wanted to eat, but that was closed, and because it's too late right now. It's 10 p.m. right now. So this is the last stop, and then we go home. And I hope you like my vlog, and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Take care. Marhamik signing off. Bye bye.